Well, hello there and greetings to you. It is Matthew McDonald here and thank you for clicking through. We've got a quick, exciting new video on generating your own buy now buttons on demand and doing it directly from your own website. Now, I've got a brand new tool that lets you generate your own buy now buttons literally in seconds, and you can do it straight from your own website. I'm going to show you quickly in this video the tool in action, and then if you want to pick it up, I'm going to give you an absolute killer early bird deal at the end of the video. So let's get started. And here we are looking at my desktop and we're inside of WordPress admin, and I've got instant buy now buttons installed, and we can see it here on the menu, buy now buttons. And when we go here, we can generate our own buy now buttons from here, use them on our website, and it only takes us a few seconds to create them. So to get started, I'm just on the home screen here. I'm going to click create button. And from here, we can give the button a name. We give it a name. I'm just going to call it my first button, and you'll see exactly how this works. We can also give it a description. We're going to go ahead and click this. We give the item name. So this is the product that we are going to be selling. I'm going to put here my video course. I'm going to put the amount here, $197 US, and then I'm going to put a success URL. So I've got a thank you page here set up. I'm just going to go ahead and paste in my thank you page. We do have a lot more options. I'm going to come back and look at those in a moment, but just clicking continue, I'm going to go ahead and select the button from here. We'll just pick that one here. And now you can see my button is ready to go. And from here, I've got shortcode. I can publish this, and I've also got a JavaScript snippet option if I want to publish it outside of WordPress. So copying my shortcode here, I'm just going to go to a blank page here that we've created. I'm going to go ahead and add our button here to this page. Going into the page editor, I'm just going to go ahead and add a shortcode here. Pasting that in, I'm going to click update. Let's go to our page, have a look at this, and there's my payment button ready to go. Now, the cool thing about this payment button is people can click through and do the complete checkout process on my page without ever leaving my page. Let's test this out. I'm going to go ahead and click buy now. And we can see here's our payment details. I'm in Switzerland, so it's doing the currency conversion for me. I'm going to go ahead and complete the purchase. There we go. And we'll just click to go back to the dealer. And you can see I'm automatically directed to the thank you page. So in just a few seconds, we were able to generate a fully functioning buy now button that we can use on our WordPress site. Now, the cool thing about this is I can go back to the design option and I can edit this design and make it look exactly like I want it. Also, if I'm doing special internet marketing promotions, we've got some super awesome high converting button designs here ready to go, so we can just point and click. So if we want to, let's say, pick this one here, we can just go ahead and select it, and now we can fully customize this option. Now, just before we go ahead and customize it, I'm going to quickly save changes. Let's go back to the setup option, and from here I'm going to add some more options. So previously we just had the simple my item name, we had the amount, the currency, and the success URL, but we've got some more options here. So toggling on more options, we can do a discount offer. So let's say I'm going to do fixed amount, $100 off. And you can see here on my payment button, we've got regular price $197, special price $97, and all of this is fully customizable. We can also add shipping, tax, tax rate, and we've also got a cancel URL. So if they're going through checkout and you want to send and they cancel the purchase process, you can send them to a cancel page, maybe a downsell or some other option or other offer. So this is how easy you can customize your buy now buttons. Now in a tick, I'm going to show you how easily you can customize the look and feel of this button. You can do anything you want with it, but just before I do, I will show you here we've also got custom checkout option. So selecting custom checkout option, we can put in a checkout URL. As an example, if I'm using Thrivecart for a particular offer, I'm not using the automated PayPal checkout process, I can just go ahead and paste in my Thrivecart checkout URL, and you could literally use any checkout URL in this field. Now I'm going to leave this one off, and I'm going to use the PayPal checkout for this option. It's nicely integrated and ready to go, and it is super fast. And I like the fact that people can check out without having to leave your web page. Now here in the design menu, we've got all these different options to customize this button. So obviously you've got your basics. You can choose the size of the button. You can round those edges if you like. You can add a drop shadow. And then we've got a features menu. We've got regular price. So I could take that one off and just have the special price there. I could have the cart icon. I could take it off, and I could do any of these components and change what we have here. We've also got credit cards. So for instance, if you are using a credit card checkout process but you're not using PayPal, let's just make that a little bit bigger. You can choose which credit cards you want to have there like this, and we can obviously space those out as well. With the button text here, we've got a headline, so you can go ahead and pick a ready to go headline that I've already put in here for you, or you can type in your own headline like this. You've got your special price. Once again, you can customize what you want this text to be, and we've got some quick pick options as well. We've got add to cart here. You could change that to buy now, or you could change that to checkout now, or you could even enter your own button text. So you've got this button builder, and you can absolutely do it exactly as you want. You can also go in here and select edit option, and you've got more tools here for each individual option here. So we are editing the headline here. I could, for instance, highlight the headline and it'll give me a really nice highlight like that. We can underline it, we can change the color of the text, and we can all do this with point and click. So here we've got a custom editor with different tools designed to super quickly generate ultra high converting buy now buttons that you can instantly use on your website. So now it's going to be easier and quicker for you to create your buy now buttons and to get offers in front of your customers. Now, if you ever want to change the entire design of your buy now button, we can just go here. We've got a bunch of templates ready to go. So selecting this option, let's just show the templates here. We've got some ready options to go, and we can go for a more simple one. This one, for example, just click it and it's going to set that up for you. If you say I don't want the credit cards, then we can go ahead and turn those off, and we can toggle different features right from here. Let's just go ahead and save changes. And now when we go and have a look at this button, you can see we've changed the look and feel of it. Personally, I like to use ready, proven internet marketing, high converting payment buttons. So here you've got a whole bunch of these designs ready to go, and look at that, just a click and save. Let's go and refresh the page, and there's my payment button ready to go. We can click that, go through checkout, and be automatically redirected to our thank you page. So right now, as part of this early bird special deal, I've got a killer deal on this page where you can literally pick up the Instant Buy Now Buttons WordPress plugin. You can pick it up for pennies on the dollar, and you're going to be able to generate your own buy now buttons on demand with the ready to go on page checkout flow with PayPal. So if you've got a PayPal account, all you have to do is put in your PayPal business email and you can start collecting payments straight away. Now also, if we take a look here in our customers, we can now see the sale was being made. So the customer has automatically been added to our customer database, and also our sales history. We can see the sales details right from here. So right now you've got this super exciting new tool. You're never going to have to struggle with buy now buttons again. It works ready to go out of the box with the PayPal pay flow on page, which means people can go through the checkout process without ever leaving your web page, and they can be automatically sent to your thank you page. Also, it has that extra integration. If you're using other checkout carts, you can link these payment buttons with any kind of checkout cart just by putting in your checkout link. So right now on this page, I've got a killer early bird deal. This is going to be a limited time. It's an absolute crazy awesome brand new tool, and you can pick it up on this page for pennies on the dollar. I will put all the details below this video, so make sure you check out that limited offer now if you want to pick it up. I'm going to see you on the other side in the next video in just a moment.